So far, so good.
Okay.
Let's see what we have.
All right, we are opening the box.
Kay and I bought a gas outboard engine for our inflatable dinghy. After ordering it online, it finally arrived by truck and was dropped off at our marina. This is the story of our unboxing the engine that we bought sight unseen, getting it into our dinghy sideways, and then hoisting it to the back end of our sailboat by our dinghy engine hoist.
Some sort of warning on that. I wonder what it said. Oh my goodness. Wow. Nice. Very nice. Oh, there's battery cables.
That looks huge to me.
Let's hope it's the right number. Yep, 15 horse. This is the one.
Okay.
Wowie. Let's see. Toolkit, owner's manual. Oh, here's the toolkit. Gas hose. And, oh, I like that new outboard engine smell. This must be a fuel tank.
There's a little box inside the bigger box. Must be the fuel tank.
Yes, it
Yep,
is.
it's bright red.
Cute. That's really cute. Stop. I should read this. I'll read this. Great. Okay. Now we just have to get this on the dinghy. Okay. Yeah, that's really right.
Now he's
That
tied
top is really
2 lines to the motor.
Yep.
Attach this one with that perfect bowl end. There, you see it right there. The other one to the shaft. Right there.
Move. Okay, I think I'm gonna get.
Because I think that I'd rather have you down in the dinghy and position it just how you want it.
Okay.
Because I can hold this end.
Oh, it's 100 pounds. You know.
I got it.
More than that.
So,
And this end's pretty light.
okay.
Even Kate could do it. Want to try it, Kate?
No,
No?
I do not.
So, let's see. It's laying on the.
Yeah, it's supposed to be on this side.
Yep.
But there's no way.
Now, if you're able to get in the dinghy, and then we can gently or move it slowly.
Sure.
heard your name's Kay.
Oh,
I'm Dave.
yeah, Dave.
Hi, Dave. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much for helping
Yeah.
us.
Oh, you bet. Phil I told him he makes me feel guilty every day. I didn't know his name till just now, but he's exercising every morning when I should get up and start exercising. I should be like him.
Yeah, I'd say the
All
same
right.
thing.
Now, just go in. You know exactly how you want to place it?
Heck, I mean,
What do you have in mind?
hell, we could even put the head right here.
Is that
which
what
would
you
be
want?
fine, which I think
Okay.
that'd be fine because I got a row from the back.
All right.
Yeah, let's put the head right on this part right here.
Okay.
There's a little pad right there.
So,
A couple pads right there I can see.
ready? All right. If you can get that, because my range of motion now is limited. Okay. Oop, I got it. Okay. You want to?
Yep. Good. I think we're golden.
All right. Nothing got scratched or broke.
Right.
And the dinghy's still inflated.
Yeah.
I'd say that's success. Here's your label.
Oh, thanks.
The label came off, but
That's all right. Catch your breath.
All right.
That's great.